Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to show you how to make this nice different kind of mask that I really like. First, you measure it by 9 inches in top and bottom and 8 inches in two sides. And then we'll cut it like this. I have this new cutter that I like, so I use it. But you can use a scissor too, whatever you have. So cut it like that. And here I like to use a white fabric in the inside, because it feels like it's clean where you put your face. And here it is. It look like this, and then you put it in the top. Make sure that fabric will facing to each other, so that when you reverse it, it's in the front. So you measure it 2 inches of each corner like that, and I'll just follow this all around the corner, or you can still measure it 2 inches in its corner, but I like it this way. I think it's faster this way, but you can do it whatever you like that. And then I put a little bit of line and 1/4 inches, 1/4 inches, same allowance all around. So you will sew from here and then here to here to here and to here and to here and here and here, all around. 1/4 inch same allowance around. Then you stop here. Just put a little bit of opening for when you reverse the fabric, and over here. Alright, it's time to sew it. And then we'll cut it all around. Just make it clean and then cut in the side. So maintain the allowance of a 1/4 inch. And then here we reversed it here. So turn it inside out. and here you flatten it out like that. You can use an iron if you want to, but this fabric is really good and firm. Then you put it inside, fold it inside so that when you close that it looks clean. Pull it inside, and then you start from here in the opening and put a top stitch all around it. So you start here and here and here and all around the fabric, and you stop on the top. This is the hole, but you have to just stop here. Okay, we're ready. So when you reach here, you put a little bit of allowance, just enough for the white pipe cleaner for the wire, and put it there. So from here, the top, go around this is your top stitch, around and around and around and around and around and around, and then you stop her, leave a tiny opening for the pipe cleaner for the wire. So you just go over here and then lock it over here. So this is the pipe cleaner that I put. This is not long enough, but it's up to you how long do you want to put it, as long as it just fit in that size, in the length size in there. So when it's done, you can lock that little opening so that the pipe cleaner won't get out in there when it's time for washing. Sometimes when you wash it, it will come out if you don't lock that area, a little tiny opening. And here you go, it's done. And then now we're gonna fold it like this. Fold it like this in the center, like that. You can just estimate it, eyeing it, just to make it level. I don't have a right measurement in this, but as you can see, it's level on the other side. Folding the other side, you can see it at the end how much you pulled it. And then this is in the end, you pull it a little for the elastic. Now you measure the elastic for 9 inches each. 9 inches each. Got it? And then insert it here. And then you sew it. That, and then after that you just tie it together and pull it inside so that it looks clean. There you go. And same as on the other side. Then you sew it. Then tie it together and then pull it, put it inside, and then there you go. And the last, and this is the last step. Put it like that, and then just sew it, the beginning at the top here until at the end. that, and you do the same on the other side. I really like this mask, guys, because this is the mask that it fits really good on me, and I can just wear it all day without messing with it, and I can talk better. It won't move when I talk. So this is my favorite mask so far of all the masks that I tried. There you go, and it's ready for trying. Here is a mic. It fits really good on him. He likes it too. This is his favorite mask that I made so far. I made like 3 kinds of mask. The easiest one. But this one is my favorite, and it's his favorite too. It fits really good all around, and you can talk all day without messing it up, without moving it, and it's very good in the nose area. In the nose area, it's very close because I put a wire on it. Then you can wear your glasses if you wear glasses. There you go. It fits on me too, and it's very you can't barely see any hole in the side of the nose. It fits really good. That's why I like this very much. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more videos, and don't forget to like, share this, and comments below if you have something to ask. And then we'll see you in my next video, and you take care. You have a wonderful day. Bye. Thank you for watching.